Scene 1, take 1.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh boy. I'm Mike Evenhouse, and yeah, I started this back in, I think the first boat was a 2001 29 Open that burned, and my brother-in-law and I started, yeah, that's where we started. We started fixing them, buying parts, and putting them back together, and I just kind of got hooked. I love boats. Grew up in Chicago and vacation in Michigan. Just kind of been passionate about it, so that's kind of what kicked the whole thing off. People work really hard and save their money, and boating is it's an escape for them. It's you know, something they love to do. Unfortunately, they're very mechanical. There's stuff, you know, impellers every 2 years, and check your batteries and maintenance, and if you don't take care of that, and with these things sitting all winter, if you don't do the proper maintenance, you're dead in the water. So of the 6 times you want to use it, you got a group of people, and you go out and your boat doesn't work or it's broke down. So that's where I, you know, kind of was like, how do we make sure this stuff, it looks good and it runs good, and if you keep, my philosophy has been, if you make it a good experience, not only from them using the boat, but dealing with you, you know, building the trust and doing a good job. And, you know, we're not perfect, but we stand behind everything we do. You just get a relationship and they don't leave. I mean, we've grown by customers and word of mouth. We work as a team because no one could ever have enough knowledge to know, you know, our mechanics work with all of us, and, you know, because a lot of stuff leads to another. To make sure that our bases are covered, or, you know, that the maintenance and things that are done, and we're checked for things that you normally wouldn't see. And by working as a team, I think we catch a lot more of that stuff than your typical that are just looking to do an oil change, or we kind of have we look at the big picture.
So what's going on here, Mike? What's happening?
Turns out we're doing our first in and out service at ME Yachts with a very heavy duty piece of equipment.
You want to show us?
Huge boat! Huge boat! Check out this vessel!
This thing is totally set up for
Excellence! It's gonna be fantastic!